Hi guys, and welcome to Peter Ray's Adventures. Welcome to my latest video. Just going along to see the Christmas switch on. There's a house on the Chessington road that switches on the Christmas lights for Christmas. So just going along to film it, for example, using my phone, not the camera, my mobile phone. So hopefully you enjoy it.
The most wonderful time of the year. Let's make some noise for Father Christmas. Right. Now then, before that is to get yourself a nice hot drink and a mince pie. These have been kindly donated by Co-op and Tesco. So all we ask is a donation in the bucket today. Thank you very much. So here we are, it's the Christmas lights turn on. After many hours of hard work, sometimes in freezing conditions, we're finally and nearly ready to switch them on. But before we do that, I would just like to explain who we are raising the money for this year. We have chosen Epsom Riding for the Disabled Association, better known as the RDA. The RDA are a horse riding school for disabled children and adults based on Hook Road. The RDA was voted by many followers of Epsom and New families on Facebook as well. This summer slave thieves broke into their premises and seriously injured two ponies called Marigold and Buffy and a horse called Sam. The attacks left the animals very poorly traumatised. I'm pleased to say that Marigold and Buffy made a full recovery. He's doing amazingly. And of course Vinny, who we raised £2,777 for last year, and is able to get stronger every day with the use of his new inner walker that the money went towards. A big thank you to my best friend Paul, who helps me put up the crazy display this year and every year, wherever you are, Paul. Thank you very much, my man. And also to the team for helping out tonight. That's Donna, Gracie, Charlotte, April and Francesca. A big massive thank you to my wonderful family for putting up with me. Not just this year, but every year. I drive them absolutely mad with the Christmas lights, as you can imagine, with all the plans. And finally, a huge thank you to all of you for turning up this evening and showing us your support. It really does mean absolutely everything to us. And there's some of you that come to visit us every year, and perhaps you've never seen a display before. In a few seconds, you will see what it is all about, trust me. Either way, thank you very much for your support. It means so much. So, shall we get on with it? Father Christmas, are you ready on the button? Let's see his hand on the button, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Okay. Cameras, are they ready?
Yeah.
And give me a cheer if you're ready. So let's start the countdown then. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Michael, take it.
Hopefully you've enjoyed that light switch on ceremony on the Chessington Road in Epsom in Surrey. They're raising money for the Riding for the Disabled Association. I've never actually got a chance to go to the switch on ceremony, which has always been on at 6 p.m. I was usually working most years or forgot about it, for example. So I'm really glad to go there. Leave me a comment down below what you thought of the light switch on and the fireworks, for example. Do leave me a comment, like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell, so turn it on, smash it and whack it, and turn those notifications on so I get notifications to all my up and coming videos. And once again, thanks for watching and have fun.